She got style, grace. She got attitude.
Yes, guys, welcome back. I am your host, your Royal Realness, and you are watching SlayQueen TV, and this is the Crown Alert. Yes, guys, this is where I bring you breaking news right here from the Queen's Court, and it is getting spicy in the Diddy trial. So, jury deliberations began this morning, and within 2 hours, there's already tension. There's already issues. So a note was passed to the judge from the jury foreman stating that they have concerns that juror number 25 is not able to follow your honour's instructions. That's big. This is too early for this. You mean already? And I'm just like, well, what instructions could you not follow? All the instructions are to tell you how to apply the law in determining whether this charge was proven or not. The only reason I can see that you wouldn't want to follow those instructions is because those instructions lead to a guilty verdict. Now, guys, this could have a huge effect. In a case like this, RICO, the jury instructions are important. Just like the closing statement was important, the jury instructions that the judge gave just this morning, the judge told you how to proceed. And you can't do that. So much so, because remember, when you're in the jury, I've never been on a jury, but I'm sure when you're in the jury, it's going to go back and forth. There's 12 people, you've all got opinions, you've all maybe remember, oh yeah, but this happened, and oh yeah, but this person testified to that. 2 hours in, and you already can tell that this person isn't following instructions. Guys, we got to keep our eye on this because it's given they need to get rid of him. Now, at this point, the judge hasn't made any decisions. There's not been any removal, no dismissal, nothing like that. What he did do was send a note back stating that they just need to continue deliberating and follow the instructions. So, as I said, guys, we got to keep our eye on this because it's those predicate acts. 2 predicate acts out of a list of 8, I believe. And as I said in a previous video, which I haven't posted, so I don't know what I'm telling you. As I said in my next video that is going to come up, they have to find 2 predicate acts of the list of 8 to find guilty. So, for example, if we're talking about trafficking, if we're talking about, and this is in terms of the RICO, all these different things fall under the RICO umbrella. You've got arson, you've got bribery, you've got... what else is it? The trafficking. All these things, all they have to do is find 2 each. If they agree on 2, he's guilty. And they don't have to agree on the same 2. So one juror might think, okay, he trafficked Cassie and he committed arson with Kid Cudi's car. Another one might say, well, I'm not too sure about the arson, but he definitely done the bribery because that's been proven. He gave my man 100K to get rid of the tape. That's bribery. So each juror can find whichever 2, as long as they find 2. And if they do, he is guilty. What instructions can you not follow? This guy's gone rogue. They need to keep an eye on him. But you know what? For me, I think it's a good sign that they alerted the judge early. They didn't just sit there and let him... Obviously, this is all... I'm just guessing. They didn't let him just mess everything up or allow him to try and sway them into whatever foolishness he's on. They saw it from early. They called it from early. I think that's a good sign. This is very early on. We could get a verdict at any moment, guys. So we are going to keep our eye on this. I am going to bring you any other updates that come up. Now, bear with me. Again, I'm in the UK, so my timings are different, but I am going to do my very best. Get down in the comments. Let me know, what do you lot think this means? What could this mean for the trial? There wasn't any repercussion to that at this point. The judge just responded and said, basically, as a reminder, continue deliberating, follow the instructions. So nobody's been dismissed. We haven't seen anything like that, but we need to keep our eye on this, guys, because I'm telling you, they need to find this man guilty. If they don't find him guilty, that's scary because he's so obviously guilty. It was just meant to be a quick update. I will bring back more if I find more. If I hear more, I will bring that to you. Get down in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me about what you think in general. What do you think he will be charged with, if anything? And if he is, how much time do you think he's going to get? Better yet, how much time do you want him to get? Because I'm trying to see life. This man needs to stay in the bin for the rest of his life. He needs to sit behind those cells and think about what he's done. Think about what he did to these women. Think about how he's been running around attacking people at his free will because he can. In the closing statement, I think it was Maureen Comey, when she done the rebuttal statement, she made it very clear we are all equal in here. He is not a god, and he is to be treated just like all the others. And when you break the law, you have to be held accountable just like all of us. Not word for word, but that's basically what she was getting at. And I have to agree, he ain't no god. He is not. So you can't do these things, you shouldn't do these things, and you need to pay for it. But guys, that was just a quick update. I will come back with some more if I find it. Oh, actually, I didn't even tell you who the juror was. So this juror, let me quickly find that. I've got that here somewhere. So this juror is 52 years old. It's a male. He has a Ph.D. He's a veterinarian. He's educated. Okay, and that says to me, you ain't stupid, so why can't you follow the instructions? The instructions were very simple, very simple. And that's what led me to believe this man's guilty. And I don't see them deliberating for too long. But now it's like, bro, you lot's got rogue jurors. In a case like this is getting spicy, guys. We are going to keep an eye on this, guys. I am going to be back soon. I'm going to keep my eye on what is happening and drop you breaking news when I can. Obviously, I'm in the UK, so my timing is different. So bear that in mind. But I will be back soon, guys. Don't forget to get in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you feel. What are your predictions? What do you think he's going to get? I think he's guilty. I think they're going to find him guilty. They have to. Because if they don't, that means they didn't follow the instructions. So let's get in the comments. Talk about what we think they are going to find him guilty of and how much time he is looking at. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I will be back soon. How soon? We don't know. We don't know, but it's looking like things are popping off. So keep your eye out. Don't forget to put on your notifications. Don't forget to subscribe. You need to catch the royal summons so I can give you this information. So do that for me and I will see you soon. Bye.